Good morning, you guys. So today's YouTube video, which I haven't been on here in a really long time, but I thought it would be fun to do a day in my life vlog style. So today's Friday, September 18th. I work half a day today, so I kind of wanted to do like what it's like to be a business owner and also work full-time. It's not easy, but I really wouldn't have it any other way because I love what I do. Like, I love having a small business, and even though sometimes it can be challenging to do both, it's rewarding. I couldn't think of the word. Oh my gosh, I'm still tired. It's 9:34 right now, so I just clocked into work. I just answered some emails, so now I'm waiting to get my first call. And then I just logged into our Shopify here and we have our order. We have a order. So I wanted to kind of take you guys through like packaging an order and things like that, like both like personal and business. So I thought that could be fun to show. So yeah, when the next exciting thing happens, I guess I'll show you guys. We also have to go grocery shopping, so I can take you guys grocery shopping too. So this is what it looks like on our admin page. I won't show anything here, but yeah, I woke up this morning and I just checked right now and we have one order to fulfill. So I'll show you guys how I put that together. Lunchtime, we got burritos. And a Slurpee. We always get a side of french fries with our burritos because in San Diego, where I'm from, we have a taqueria that's called Lolita's, and they have California burritos. And it's basically like an asada burrito with french fries, so that's what we do. And I'm on my break right now, so I decided to eat. Okay, so I'm packaging the order, and I have to put the box together. I really like these boxes that we ordered from Uline because they are the indestructible boxes. So by the time that it goes through the whole shipping process, you don't get the box all banged up, and it keeps the product from getting messed up too. So super easy to build like that. And then we add the filling. So this is the filling that we add. And then they ordered the volumizing lash and brow serum, which if you haven't ordered, go pick it up. We are running low, which is exciting. And then I'll add a little spoolie. And then I'm going to add some of our new stickers that we have. These are going to be with our new launch for our new product. So we have 3 new stickers that James designed for us. And he actually inspired me to film the day in the life video because he's been doing studio vlogs. So if you want to check out his channel, I'll link it down below as well. But yeah, these are super cute. We have one that says SPF is your BFF. We have skincare is for everyone. And then we have skincare queen. So he gave me some extras. So I'm going to put these in the order. And then yeah, so I'm gonna put these in the order here. And it's crazy because we were talking about how good he's gotten at making stickers because these are our old stickers that we had made with him. And now we have these. So I'll go ahead and link his Etsy shop down below as well. So I'm gonna go finish packing this up and then I'll update you later. So I'm done with work for the day. We're gonna go drop off the package and then go to the store. changed my shirt because the long sleeve got really hot. So we just finished our grocery trip and we're gonna head home. So I just took my mask off and we realized that I have like a mark here from wearing. I wonder why that happened this time. Weird. Oh, it's hot. So we just got home from the store and we went to the mall and we picked up this cute little magnet for our fridge. And now I'm just gonna put all of this stuff away. And I think that's it. Are you gonna make smoothies? Yeah. Okay. So at the grocery store, we picked up these little pumpkins because the pumpkin patch isn't open right now. So I have it here. And then over here on our coffee table, we put the these are like Pyrex dishes that we got at Target. And I showed them on my Instagram story. And then we have like a little velvet pumpkin right here. And then on our TV stand, we have these other two cute little pumpkins.
What about this one?
Which one? Okay, so we're making dinner right now and we're making buffalo chicken sandwiches. So I'm gonna show you guys how we're making them. So I got this recipe off of TikTok. In here, I like to use chicken tenders instead of chicken breasts because they're a lot juicier. And they don't get like tough when they're fried. So in here I have Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and then you put heavy whipping cream. You can do buttermilk or whatever kind of cream you have. And then in here I have, what is it called? Baking powder or baking soda, and then flour. And then I also seasoned this. And then right here, we're gonna be, after we fry them, we're gonna dip them in this sauce that we made with Frank's hot sauce, some ranch, and then it also has cream cheese. So this is the final product of the sandwiches that we made. There's the little buffalo chicken. I add some lettuce and then it's in the bun, and then some pickles on the side, and I'm drinking a Sprite. So should I do a taste test? Oops. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Did you try yours yet? It's so good.
Oh my God.
It's so good. Okay, we're gonna keep eating. Alright, so I didn't finish off the vlog last night, but basically the last clip that I showed was a little bit more of like the business side. So last night I ran a promotion for one of our Instagram posts to just kind of help the engagement and just have people look at the website. Unfortunately, right now with Instagram, it just sucks because you have to pay in order to get any sort of views or likes or engagement or like any of it. So that really sucks. But that's basically like what I showed in the last clip. I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here. and I'm actually going to start a new one today. So if you want to take a little bit more of a look, I'm going to be doing like some social media stuff. I'm going to be getting together some PR boxes. So be sure to stay tuned for my next video. I'm also going to be revealing our new Skinica product. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other video suggestions, then definitely leave them down below. All right, bye.